Hello, my fellow lovers of beauty. I am back with another quick wig share. This wig I purchased from samsbeauty.com, and the name of the wig is, it's called Dashley. This is the packaging for her. I've already taken her out, and it's on the side. It says Dashley Lace Wig, and it is a color type 1 for this wig. On packaging her, I wanted something simple, long, pretty, and classy, sexy, but something simple. I didn't want any frills, and I think she's pretty much that, pretty simple, and cute, and she was inexpensive. That was major. So, and I wanted her right out the box wearable, right? So the first thing I want to do is share with you guys, as far as the layout, lace front, you can tell. She has a comb on one front side, another comb on the other front side, comb in the back, and the normal ties to tighten the wig. And with those, I always simply interlock them. I feel like I got some hair on my mouth there. So I go ahead, because my head is so small, it never kind of serves me any purpose to try to lock them into the actual constraints or compartments that are provided there at the wig. So I always simply go ahead and interlock the two together. So simply take these two, and I clip the clips in between each other to get that locking, to give me more tightness. And from there, I'm simply going to cut this lace off. So let's see what we can do here. So immediately putting the wig on, and I did not part my hair. I typically do that. I typically part my hair to align with the part of the wig, but I think with this new concept that I'm going to try, I'm hoping that I can do it but not have to be committed to it as much as I had in the past. She's kind of cute, y'all. All right, so she's cute. She's cute. If I can get this little new concept of mine to work, this will be cute. Okay, so I like her. This is what I wanted, just something simple that, you know, if I was going out and just want something quick and easy to throw on, and but still long, sexy, cute. Out. Get all my natural hair out of this comb. Okay, so kind of cute. All right, so since I don't have my own part, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of line up right there with the part of the wig and just take some of my natural hair out. try not to ever take too much of my natural hair out again, because you know, as the day goes on, it's going to revert. Sort it first and foremost. I want that distinguished. This eyeshadow, or so I'm just gonna tap it up a little bit. To make it all blend. And everywhere where I see that lace, that's exactly where I'm going to tap this black eyeshadow makeup. But you see how it starts to go together, right? And the difference with keeping a little more of that lace on there is it allows you to pull it back, and the lace acts as a filler between your hairline. Well, to me, it acts as a filler between your hairline and the coming together of the wig to make them run together. And that's what I saw in my vision of coming up with a new concept, was to make them come together, was to just leave a little bit more lace on there instead of cutting it so close. And you see how that looks cute, right? That looks almost seamless, guys. So yeah, so that's why I decided to start leaving a little bit more of the lace on the wig, and to give me a little bit more room to where I could pull the wig back and make it look more natural. And I think that looks more natural, way more natural. So I want to do that first. We'll finish this, and then I'm going to show y'all one other thing I think I want to start doing. And I found this stuff in my local beauty supply store. And even if you didn't have this powder, and the powder just makes it more easier for me because it's powder versus having a liquid form or whatever. You could use your eyeliner. If you don't have the powder, you could use a whatever color. And the reason why it's important to carry this all the way down to your wig is if you have a day where it's windy, I don't want to be worried about if the wind blows, if this part comes back and I didn't blend. Yeah, so it's important to go all the way down when you're blending. So the other thing I wanted to start trying was, I want to start trying to take my toothbrush and I'm going to take the hair that I left out, and I'm going to tease the two together. And I feel that may also add in the time when my natural hair does revert. The next thing I want to do is to finish with lining this. Just putting some face powder for me, because that's all I typically wear for my face. So I'm going to put some face powder straight through the seam here to blend. And although my natural hair is already, reverting or whatever, I'm just gonna kind of paint over it. Literally what I'm doing is painting over my hair. And you're just dabbing. And now you want to just make the part blend exactly with the same makeup that you're putting to create the part. So I'm just gonna run them right in together from forehead to finish. The teasing of the two together, it'll keep the two together throughout the day, and it allows for a more natural look. So she's a pretty. And I think she works with the concept that I was going with. I think she blends rather well. Overall, quick, easy, out of the box wear. Overall, I'm super happy with her. I think she's really pretty. I'm liking the new little try of the techniques that I came up with, and I hope you guys give it a try and let me know what you think. I thank you guys for coming along. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you've gotten some inspiration. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, continued blessings to you all. Bye-bye, guys.